Young World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over why my CPM is so high on YouTube and how to earn more money on YouTube. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Young World. Now, as y'all can see, my CPM on YouTube right now is $24 for the past 28 days. Now, if we go to the overview of my channel, you can see my channel generated over 93,000 views in the past month, had over 4,000 watch hours, 800 subscribers, and I earned $1,000. Now, to make $1,000 for 93,000 views, that's a very good CPM rate. At the rate I'm going at right now, for 1 million views on YouTube for my channel, that would be $10,000 because I'm generating $1,000 for every 100,000 views, you could say. So that's a very good CPM rate, and I'm about to teach y'all how to increase your earnings on YouTube, and I'm about to teach y'all everything you need to know about CPM. Now, before we get into it, I just want to point this out. You can see YouTube is telling me that my channel views are up 19% in the last 28 days because people are finding my videos through the search results. So I'm about to give y'all some tricks how to get your videos found in the search results more. That way, whether YouTube is promoting you or not, you can still generate views today, tomorrow, a month from now, a year from now. I'm about to teach y'all a lot of tips and tricks on this video, so make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe and watch until the end. Now, if we go into the revenue tab, you will see that my playback based CPM on YouTube is $24.23. Now, playback based CPM on YouTube is the amount of money your channel earns before YouTube takes their cut. Now, when you start earning money on YouTube, you become what's called a YouTube partner. Now, in that YouTube partnership, in the deal, you agree for YouTube to place ads in front of your videos and take 50% basically of all of the earnings your channel makes. So right now, this metric right here, the playback based CPM, is how much my channel generates as a whole, per 1,000 views before YouTube takes their cut. Now, once YouTube takes their cut, that metric is called RPM. Now, the RPM on my channel is $11.37. So for every 1,000 views, with my cut, what I take home from that is $11.37, right? And that's also before taxes and everything like that. So, my channel, what I earn is $11.37, right? And my estimated revenue for the last 28 days is $1,000. So, yeah, I want to go into my top earning videos so you can see, how many views I'm getting, what the topic of the videos are, and how much money is earning. So I'm gonna be up front and tell y'all a secret right now. Now, if we look in the corner, you can see right here I made a video about feng shui, but something I want to point out is that I made this video 10 minutes. Now, the golden ratio on YouTube for the longest was to make a 10-minute video and to add multiple ads within the video. When you do this, you earn more money on YouTube, and it gives YouTube a greater incentive to promote your video, given that you have a high watch time. YouTube base their promotion of your video based on the watch time of the video and your engagement of the video, how many likes you can get on the video. Now, it was a golden ratio. It was known, like the secret between elite YouTubers was that if you could maintain, a a 4-minute watch time on a 10-minute video, you know, YouTube would promote you, you know, and as long as you had multiple ads within that video also. So I just wanted to go over that little secret with y'all, you know, just to be upfront with y'all. But now, you know, now it's 8 minutes. Now the threshold, now the golden ratio is 8 minutes. And you can see this video, I made it 10 minutes, but now the golden ratio is 8 minutes. And if you could keep the watcher at least for 3 to 4 minutes now, you know, YouTube will promote your video. So you can see, you know, this video has gotten 22,000 views. And for that, I made $400 off of 22,000 views. That's good. And if we go into the revenue to go in further, you can see this video right here has a $25 playback based CPM. So this video makes $25 per thousand before YouTube takes their cut. And my cut of that is $18.70 on this video, which allowed me to earn $402 off of this video. Now this video right now is gaining a lot of traction, and that video is actually a follow-up to this video because I saw these videos were getting a lot of traction, and these videos are in the law of attraction spiritual wealth niche. Now on YouTube, something you have to know before we go any further, when you make videos, how-to videos, teaching people how to do things, teaching people how to earn money online, how to work from home, passive income, you know, when you talk about financial related news, financial related topics, real estate, stocks, investing, when you talk about things like that on YouTube, you earn more money. YouTube pays you a higher CPM for videos like that. Now as you can see on this video, I got 12,000 views and I earned $300, right? And if we go into the revenue, you can see the playback base CPM, the playback base CPM on this video was $35.67. So before YouTube takes their cut, you know, this video earns $35, excuse me. Now, after YouTube takes their cut, I received $25.58 on this video, which allowed me to earn $315 on this video. Now, we look at another video. Let's look at this Sprizzy ad campaign video. Now you can see this video has a very high CPM. For only 4,000 views on this video right here, we made $300. Now, if we go out and we go into the revenue, you can see the playback based CPM on this video is $100, right? Making $100 per thousand. And after YouTube takes their cut, I get $67 per thousand, which led me to earn $300 off of 4,000 views, right? 4,000 views from this video, right? So if you understand CPM, you know, you can make certain videos and earn more money. Now, this is all of my top earning videos from the top 50 videos from start to bottom, right? So if we look at the playback based CPM, you can see what these videos make per thousand before YouTube takes their cut. Now we got $41, $118, $65, $29. We got a low $9 one, $20, $40, $50, $99, $107, $30, $37, you know, $162, $138, you know, some big ones in here, $87 or $89, excuse me, $83, $67, $84. So, you know, it's some nice CPM rates. And if we look at, you know, the type of videos I'm creating to get those CPM rates, you can see the feng shui, and that's in the law of attraction wealth niche. Those advertisers, they pay a lot of money to YouTube. SBA loan, that's again financial related. Anything about finances, credit, things like that, they pay a lot of money. Sprizzy ad campaigns, YouTube ads, anything setting up YouTube ads, Amazon affiliate marketing, things like that, like ASMR money, money challenges, savings, anything where you're talking about money or finances. YouTube pays a lot for that. You can see a lot of my videos are centered around financial topics and personal development. You see the law of attraction, Sprizzy YouTube ads, digital real estate, earning money on Spotify, selling your music online, how to monetize a song on SoundCloud, just videos about money, advertising, things like that. I noticed they pay a lot. So yeah, those are my top 50 videos, and those are the topics. And if you take information from this video, and whether you have a YouTube channel already or whether you're looking to start a YouTube channel, if you understand the CPM and you understand when you make videos about money, about financials, about spirituality, how to, real estate, work from home, passive income, once you make videos toward the established niche, once you make searchable videos, you want to make videos that can be found not only today but tomorrow. You want to make videos for the YouTube search results, because YouTube will not always promote you. And let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So you can see this month on my channel, my videos were shown to over 1 million people. That's what impressions mean. That's how many eyes seen a thumbnail of mine, a video of mine. So 1 million impressions. And with that, YouTube only recommended 11% of that. YouTube only drove 11% of that traffic, by them promoting. The other, 80, or 60%, was from the YouTube search, right? My biggest traffic source is from YouTube search. Then it's suggested videos, Then it's browse features and channel pages and advertising. YouTube only promotes me 11% of the time on my channel. So yeah, in order to keep the views coming, you have to optimize your videos within the description, within the tags, within the title. Optimize them for the search results, because I've had videos on my channel that I made 2 years ago, and then suddenly it's just picked up in the search results, and it was only because of the title, the tags, and the description that video got found, and it was getting recommended against or suggested against popular videos with that topic. So yeah, hope y'all learned some information from this video. It's your boy Yon World. That's my video for today. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment. I'm out. Peace.